In this video we're gonna go over 16 keyboard shortcut you ought to know if you don't already. Ready? Let's go. What is What is going on, everybody? Today we're gonna look at 15 keyboard shortcut you must definitely know. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, let's start off with shortcuts that are extremely useful but also are very common. Number 1, we have the classic copy and paste. To copy a file text, literally anything in any program, it's Ctrl+C, and then to paste again it's Ctrl+V. Number 2, Ctrl+Shift+B. This shortcut pastes text only as plain text, no formatting. If you copy something with formatting, a big font size, color or whatever, and you want to get rid of that. Number 3, Ctrl+S, which just saves whatever document you have open in every program. It's pretty universal save shortcut. Number 4, Ctrl+F, which is the universal font. If you want to find all the instances of a word in a document, then this you better memorize Ctrl+. Closely related to that is Ctrl+H, which is for find and replace. If for one reason or the other you wish to replace a word of phase, then Ctrl+H helps you do that quickly. Number 4, Ctrl+Z to undo something and Ctrl+Y to redo something you just undid or redo something you just did multiple times. Number 5, Ctrl+B for boldening a text, Ctrl+U to underline a text, Ctrl+I to italicize. Another shortcut you want to keep in mind is Ctrl+Shift+greater than to increase the font size and Ctrl+Shift+less than to decrease the font size. You don't even have to select the word. However, if you intend to apply this to more than one word, you will have to select them. Moving on. Number 6, the next shortcuts are for alignment. Control plus L for left alignment, Control plus E for center alignment, Control plus R is for the right alignment, and Control plus J is to justify your text. Very handy, right? Don't thank me now, there are more to come. Number 7, Alt F4, which is used to close out the current active window. If no window is active, this will give you options to shut down your computer. Number 8, the other function key you should know is F2, which in Windows Explorer renames files and folders. You just press it and then type whatever you want and hit enter and it will rename that thing. Number 9, the next shortcut is for the lover of Task Manager like myself. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. This shortcut is to bring up the Task Manager directly. You probably already know about Ctrl Alt Delete, which is another way to do it, but that requires an extra step and brings up this whole screen with other options. Rest Ctrl Shift Escape just brings it up immediately. Number 10, we have the common task switcher, which is just Alt plus Tab, which most people probably already know actually, but you might not know about the alternative Win key plus Tab shortcut, which is really similar to Alt Tab but provides some extra functionality. For example, if you use multiple virtual desktops, Win plus Tab will show those too, and it also shows the more recent timeline feature so you can use your arrow key to go through and see recently used files. Number 11, one useful feature that I love so much is the one to lock your computer. Windows key plus L for love. Use this anytime you need to get up from your computer and you don't want people messing with it, and will require you to type in your password or use a fingerprint sensor or whatever else you use to log back in it. Don't you love it? Number Number 12, we are back to word processor. Ctrl plus X is for cutting things. If you wish to remove some things completely from one place to another. When apply with Ctrl plus V, it becomes cut and paste. Number 11, another useful shortcut is Ctrl plus A, which is used to select the entire document. This become very handy if you want to apply formatting to your entire document. Number 14. If you use a laptop without a mouse, you definitely need this next shortcut. Shift plus arrow keys can be used to select text. This one is good if you use the trackpad, which can be really annoying for selecting text. One thing to note is if you use the mouse or trackpad to select a block of text, first you can then use Shift plus arrow to modify the selection based on where you stop selecting. Number 15. Windows key plus M minimizes all windows. It's very Number 16. This key combination will restore the last minimized window. Just press Win plus Shift. Thanks, guys, for spending some time with me today. If you found this video useful, give it a like, share, and just a quick question of what other key shortcut do you use to save time? Put your answers in the comments section below the video, and of course while you're down there don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell icon for future notifications. I upload videos twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays. Check the link to my other videos in the description. I will see you in the next